As you can see, it's got coded digital gauges. We're going to start it up. I think 2,800 miles on it. 2481. 3/4 fuel. See your oil pressure. Blinker to the left. You can see that working there. Blinker to the right working. Got a horn. No wiper switch. Oh, sorry. They used an old, but as of currently, the wipers do not work. So, yeah, that's an old style deal there. There's the fan. This truck does have air. There's stereo. Doesn't want to pick up station. That does work. Power locks are in op, and we need to fix power windows. There, that one goes down. I think, oh yeah, they're slow, so I think we were going to fix them. But power locks don't work. Maybe that's what doesn't work, power locks, so that's what we're going to fix. Check the lights. As you see, they left the taillights out. Kind of an interesting, neat little thing. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.